तो अगर आप एक जावा डेवलपर का इंटरव्यू देने वाले हो, सो दिस इज द वन इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन दैट यू मस्ट प्रिपेयर फॉर. So the question is, what is the difference between save and save all? So both of these method comes under Spring Data JPA. Save is used when you want to persist a single entity. For example, you can say you have one user or one order that you want to save. यहाँ पे you can see an example. We have this user, and if you want to save this, as this is a one single user, so we will use save method. On the other hand, save all is used when you want to persist multiple entries at once. Example, if you want to save list of users, as you can see here, we have list users in which we have two user objects with their name and email ID. And if we want to save this list in our repository, then we will use save all. In simple words, remember, if you have one entity, use save. If you have multiple entities, save all. Now, question for you all. What will happen if you use save method, but the entry is already present in database? Let me know. Thank you.